Unraveling Recant, understand its meaning and usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the word recant. It's a word that has history, emotion, and depth wrapped around it. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in sentences. Let's start this journey and unravel the mystery of recant. Recant is a verb. When someone recants, they take back something they said, or they publicly announce that they no longer hold a particular belief or opinion that they once expressed. Imagine shouting out a wrong answer in class, then realizing your mistake and taking it back. That's a simple way of understanding recanting. Historically, the term recant was often used in religious contexts. There were times when people were pressured to recant their beliefs or statements, especially if those beliefs were considered heretical or against the popular view. Many times, individuals had to recant to avoid punishment. Think of it as a public U-turn on a belief. In today's context, recant can be used in various scenarios. 1. A witness in a court might recant their testimony if they realize they've given false information. 2. A scientist might recant a theory if new evidence proves it wrong. 3. A celebrity might recant a statement made on social media after realizing it's insensitive. Example in a sentence: after facing criticism, the politician recanted his controversial statement. Knowing synonyms is a great way to enrich our vocabulary. Some synonyms for recant are retract, withdraw, revoke, disavow. Though these words are similar, always remember that every word has its unique shade of meaning. So, while they can be used in place of recant, the context is key. And that wraps up our exploration of recant. It's more than just a word. It's a reflection of change, realization, and sometimes, courage. We hope you found this video enlightening. Keep playing with words, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!